Here we go. Make them loud.
My grandma's face is rosy red.
She wears a scarf around her head. And when she tucks in her bed,
Oh, she plants three kisses on my head.
it interesting, she always brings a garden which she holds and rakes. She rubs my tummy when it aches and makes me special for teaching.
My other grandma's face is pale.
She sends me letters in the mail. She taught me how to play the fiddle. And once she wrote a fairy tale.
She knits me mittens, scarves, and socks.
She helped build castles with my blocks. And then I got the chicken pox.
Good, Caleb. My
Grandpa's fat, but not too fat.
He likes to wear a cowboy hat.
My grandma's tattoo scat. My grandma doesn't look like that.
He tells me stories that are true of what he did and of all the things he used to do.
Sometimes he takes